In this video, we will look into a powerful feature of tracking changes in Google Documents. You can see various versions of your document, and this works with Google Docs, Google Sheets, slides or drawings. So as you can see that this is a Google document which has been shared with two people, and you can see the avatar of these two on the right hand side. On this instance, I am using both of my own accounts, and now both of these people have edited this document in the past, and they were working, for example, as part of a team, and now I want to see what changes each one of them has made to this document. And if I want, I can restore the previous versions of this document as well. And to do that, you have to click on this. Next to help icon, you have a little bit of explanation which shows me last edit was 14 minutes ago. So if I click on this, it will show me all the previous changes made to this document. As you can see that there are two different colors assigned to each one of my account, and on the document I can see that what changes are made by any one of these accounts, and the same colors are used on the document, which shows me that these green changes, for example, are made by this account, and this purple changes are made by the other account. Now let's say I want to see a previous version, so I click on this and it will show me the previous version of this document. And what I can do here is I can restore this version by clicking on this big blue button, or I can make a copy of this document. So to make a copy, I click on these three dots, and now I can make a copy. And if I make a copy, Google will make a copy of this document at this stage without restoring the version. And I have the ability to name this version, and this you do. For example, if there is a major change in your document and you want to name that change, that this change was due to this particular decision, so then you can name your version at any stage. So there are a lot of changes, but sometimes this is important in order to investigate who changed this and why that change was made. So Google gives us the ability to see the previous versions and to restore any of those versions. And now if I want to go back to my Google Drive, I can just click on this back arrow and it will take me to my Google Drive, and you don't have to save anything, all your changes are saved. So this was a quick review of how you can track changes and restore previous versions if you want.